Coming up, replacing your FEP material on your vat, Elegoo Mars. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Chris Sergeant Taz here, and today I'm going to go over how to replace your FEP or FEP material on your vats. I've been working with the Elegoo Mars for about, roughly a month and a half, 2 months, on and off, trying to get my process down. And I've ruined quite a few FEP materials on my printer. So pretty much, if you're not really aware, it's the bottom plastic on your vat. Comes like this. Not that hard to replace, but there's a method to the madness. So I'm going to go over the clip in a second here and show you the way I do it, so it works out really well. So I'm going to roll that, and we'll talk about it when I get back. As you can see, it's not really hard to replace the FEP. It's just time consuming. I keep a good set of rags around because you're going to have a mess regardless of how well you've cleaned it. It's going to get underneath the rim. It's going to get in between the mounts for your FEP material. It can be problematic. So make sure you have a good clean work area to work with. I print it up, and I'll put the link below. I print it up in TPU on my bigger printer for something to work with. So what you want to do is you want to have some kind of nice surface to work on, and this will do it. So it's nice and soft. It's not going to wreck your FEP material. It makes it easier to keep your plate in line, and as you saw in the video, it worked out pretty well. Like I said, just a quick video of how to do it. Not necessarily why, but you'll find out if you're using a resin printing long enough that you're going to need to redo it at some point or another. So hopefully this helps you out. Give me a like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and hopefully I'll be getting out some more videos as we go along. Thanks for watching, and as always, see ya.